Hi there, my ad riding and van lifing and outdoor cooking friends and all of you. So what's up? I'm in the van heading to Kyrkekvarn in Småland, Sweden, to the event SKOG. I'm a bit early, one day before the event starts. That's because we have to build up this base camp for all the guests comes to the event SKOG. For all of you who don't know where that is, it's a event for ad riders that also have a passion for outdoors. You sleep outside in hammocks and tents, and there is outdoor cooking, and we also ride on routes in the forest in the area, gravel roads and forest roads. We had this kind of event last year as well, and it was a success, so we decided to go for it again. So now it's a tradition, or will be, a 4-day adventure from Thursday to Sunday. And don't worry, I have the bikes as well. So behind the van I have a huge trailer with Johan Söderström and Ari Pekka's KTMs along with my own. This should be really interesting. I'm so excited actually. We have worked a lot before this event, and to get it to this point should be so nice this weekend. I've been longing for this. That's perfect. Firewood for the event. But where is the farmer? We're in the preparation mode in the base camp for the moment. We have the cooks over here, the chefs for the outdoor cooking. We're building tents. I was just away and getting beer. I'm very happy to borrow the bike large trailer that was actually needed for all the beer I was just getting. I will show you that later. Hör du där uppe, Martin? Björn säkert. Är det i grytan, Sara?
Det är skogbär.
Det ser fantastiskt ut.
Jo. Tidløg.
Det är dejligt. Eller det är fed. Det där förstår inte jag. Jag hör bara sån här, håll din käft, det är dejligt och det är fed. Den här är till er. Sara.
Nej, titta där.
Det är till dig.
Nej, det var sparklören.
En varsin är det.
Ja, tack så mycket.
Det ska du ha. Ivan Nomad. What is this? Cheers. Nazdravje. That was Slivovica. Can you tell us, Ivan, what is
Slovak Slivovica?
Slovak Slivovica? Can you tell us what that is? What it's made of?
It's
I think plums.
Plum.
Yeah, perfect.
Place, visit the museums, and then wait.
2 kilometers.
Yeah, okay, so you mix it up. So for the viewers here, we have Varun. We have Varun. You have made a trip from...
Well, I started in Regensburg.
Yeah.
I went to Netherlands, spent some time with friends, and then I took the ferry to Helsinki, and then rode the Finnish TET up north, and then the highway blast down here.
he was in a hurry for SKOG, for the rainforest or rain skog.
Yeah, and then I realized
To have you here. This will be fun. This is just the,
Han har kört 1500.
what do you say, pre-party. Förfesten på svenska. The luxury camp at Base Camp North event SKOG. Well, the camping starts to fill up here. Had an interesting accident yesterday. That tree just fell down. It was weakened by a knot, as we call them, in the middle of the height of this tree. It's a huge tree. So lucky that not all the hammockers had come yet. It's a lot of early arrivals. That's great. Let's have a look what's happening in the kitchen as well. The ladies are cooking. Sally, how is Sally? Are you doing good?
Fint, jeg laver lige...
Av arrangörerna av SKOG, det är folk från massa olika länder som samlas här. Motorcykelentusiaster, förstår jag, eller vad gör ni här?
Ja, det stämmer. Vi är motorcykelentusiaster med inriktning mot adventure riding, som vi säger internationellt då. Det handlar om att åka grusvägar och ute på landsbygden över hela Europa, egentligen världen då. Och det här är en nordeuropeisk sammanslutning kan man säga. Vi är från 7 olika länder här idag i Kyrkekvarn utanför Mullsjö då.
Ja, Pia, du är ägaren av den här motorcykeln som stod och brummade här. Från Danmark. Varför? Ja, ni är från Danmark en del från Norge, en del från Holland, jag har hört Finland, Tyskland kanske. Varför har du kommit hit?
Fordi Sverige er helt fantastisk at køre offroad i og køre adventure ride i. Vi har så meget smuk natur. I Danmark er det ikke super fedt. Og så hele eventet med at møde mennesker fra Sverige og Norge og andre lande, entusiaster, det er bare super cool.
All right, really exciting. We have just had the Swedish radio broadcast here and have had an interview with us. Really cool, actually, that this event is also appreciated in the area, in this local area. So they are so interested about what we are doing, so they are here and interviewing us in direct broadcast in the radio. That's cool. Coffee time?
Yeah.
So where are you from?
Denmark.
Denmark?
Yeah.
That's good. You have a perfect shelter here.
Yes, nice camp.
Yeah? So where did you sleep last night?
Somewhere along the TET.
Yeah, okay. The Trans-European Trail? Yeah. That is pretty cool because the Trans-European Trail actually just passed this place.
Yes, we saw that.
Yeah, like 100 meters.
But it takes a long time to drive the TET.
Yeah, it does.
We thought we would get closer.
Yeah.
But actually we had to drive for 2 hours.
Yeah, 2 hours.
On the highway to
Yeah.
be here today. So.
See, I heard many have done that to combine.
Katti från Hässleholm.
Palle från Malmö.
Härligt, 2 skåningar.
Ja.
True from the county of Skåne in Sweden. This is perfect. So, you think you will have a great time?
Absolutely.
Yes, of course.
Yeah. And it starts today.
Yeah.
And then we go wild.
Yes, I hope so.
We go crazy.
Yeah. So this is Roel from Mosko Moto's pimped up T7. Looks great. A lot of extra fuel. And also this auxiliary or extra fuel tank. Roel said he increased the range from 300 to 400 kilometers. That's great for adventure riding. And who do we have here? Varun. Marcel. And you are from? UK?
Living in Sweden.
Yeah. I know that.
Yeah, and as I told you yesterday,
Yeah.
I'm originally from India, but I live in Germany.
Yeah. Perfect.
And am I right?
That's where you live, and your rig as well. The Husqvarna 701.
Yeah.
long range.
Yeah.
That's good. Perfect for Swedish TET.
It's made for Scandinavian gravel roads.
Yeah. Have a great time today. And that's Royal's AGP PR7. That looks like a real Trans-European trail bike, and also made for SKOG event. Morning!
Yellow banana.
Ja, precis. Du har sovit gott, Jochen?
Man får vi alltid lite sådär första dagen.
Ja. Let's see who's here in the base camp.
Hello. Welcome to my little cottage in the woods.
Good morning, Robert.
Good morning. Fantastic adventure weather.
Yeah,
Yes, we couldn't have planned it better.
it's more adventurous like this.
Yeah. And traditional.
And traditional.
Yeah.
All is good. Looks like everything is good. You're all right?
Hon är inte tung i skogen alls.
Det var lite tungt, ja.
Det är bra. Everything okay? Good? Good.
Du ska inte upp, va? Ja, du får inte köra upp.
Det är bra, Katti. Olja i motorn.
Ja, lite i alla fall.
Det är bra.
Sitter det kul. Jaha. Jag var tvungen att sova om mig.
Allt bra?
Jag sa det var kul. Ja. Det ligger jag fast och sov mig. Ja, visst har du sov mig. Jo, men jag gillar att ha dig framför. Ja, precis.
Du är okej, Bashar?
Ja, bara lite lera på hojen.
Alltså, har du varit och kollat lite eller har du fått på det?
Ja, jag tänkte kolla lite när jag i den backen där.
Ja, men det är sånt som händer.
Ja, min växel fick lite stryk. Eller har du sett kanske? Eller nej, det gjorde du inte.
Nej.
Men det går att växla.
Ja, det är bra.
Undrar om det går att räcka till.
Var det bra? Ah, that's good. Ivan Nomad, he's the hero. Allting är bra, Pia?
Ja.
Bra. Vi gör inga ändringar.
Det tror jag inte, nej.
Vi kör.
Ja, det tänker jag.
Bra.
Vi kom lidt væk fra gruppen.
Ja.
Da I kørte ind til højre og så tilbage på vej.
Aha.
Men alle er samlet igen. Det passer nu.
Well, I think it's time for the small coffee. The famous one with the team. We have had a blast so far. I think everyone is happy. Let's go and have a look if that's the case. Det är glada rop, eller? Ja, det är bra. Sista biten här i kanon. Doing good? No slivo?
School.
A small coffee for you.
He was carrying the bikes, helping everybody at the first level.
That's good.
He's like, I got this little each, I can do this.
Even the strong man.
Yeah.
It must be the slivo.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. I have some extra octane myself.
I think I need some slippo tonight then.
Woo! Tjena! Fantastiska spår ute i skogen. Vi har det helt underbart.
Härligt.
And then it's the fine art of driving on 4 wheels and making it even more difficult driving on 2 wheels. Because then balance, focus and everything comes into picture.
Så det blir inte som en stor jacka och stuva undan den. Det blir lite... Mopo. No men, perkele.
Skål på er! Har ni det gott?
Ja, absolut.
Ja, det är bra. Are you prepped for the ride?
Yeah, kind of.
Ah, that's good.
We'll be fine.
Which group are you going to ride?
The last
Group 1.
No, the slow group.
Ah,
Slower group.
the easy riders, you mean?
Yeah, the easy riders.
Next year it will be the rock and roll group.
Yeah, maybe, I'm not sure.
I know it will be that.
I always call him Hamlet because he talks to the skull like this. To be or not to be.
Exactly. Always.
That's exactly what it looks like.
Efter första dagen så...
Ready to go!
Gott. Bra. Besiktar om de har slicks eller?
Ja.
The yellow banana.
Banana, minion.
Right, so what you see here is the rock and roll group. And then we have the Prips Blå group and then the Easy Riders, Ari-Pekka, the one and only. Är du redo Christian?
Ja, det kommer gå bra det här.
Det vet du.
Jag är trygg i Johan Center.
Han är bra.
Ja.
So you're the rock and roll group.
Well, let's see how much rock and roll we have left in us.
Yeah, that's good. You feel sore?
No, it's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was good. A really good tour yesterday. Very good.
Great. Yeah. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Happy trail. Du är nöjd? Perfekt.
I fell off.
Oh, but...
Yeah, and then my fuel cap opened up.
Oh no! But you're fine?
Yeah.
Good.
Just my pride.
Bra, då kör vi!
Finns lunch och det finns lunch.
Serious lunch in the Prips Blå group. Hallå! Tjoho! Det här har vi gjort bra, Pia.
Tack. Kom igen. Dejligt.
Ja. Det har vi gjort bra.
Skål!
Skål! So, please tell me, what's happened here?
I found the limits of the suspension.
Okay, so, and the result is... But you did it good. Best team. You fixed a puncture along the road. Yeah.
Nasty cut. 3 sausages was required to
Yeah.
get working again. Team effort.
Yeah, I heard that. We were all the cornermans were wondering what's happened and so on, so we need to call each other and so on. But we stayed. Det ser fantastiskt ut. Vad är det vi har här?
Här är pippar, nötpippar, vildsvin, lax där borta. Lax kommer upp snart.
Wow. Det här ser underbart ut.
Fy fan som är roligt.
Ja, du ser nöjd ut.
Underbart.
Ja, det är bra.
Sen de bollar då.
Ja. Vad sa du att det var, sa du?
Det var roligt även i leran.
Nej, så sa du inte.
Det var roligt även i leran.
Ja, så var det.
Roligt.
Greser ska inte ha roligt.
Så är det. Gött gäng. Vad är det vi har här?
Valnødsnaps.
Är det gott?
Ifrån
Danmark.
som du har gjort.
Solrød, og den har ligget og læret i 5 år, tror jeg.
Åh.
Til special moments.
Skål!
Skål! Skål! Skål!
Har den legat för bra?
Nej.
Mm. Ja, visst är det. Ja, just det.
Thank you to Morten and his crew. Perfect, very nice. Wow, that's incredible. Okay, what else is coming? Which is also waterproof. So it's not completely waterproof, just this part of it, the knee part, that you ride through the forest, you get wet branches, so that stays dry, anti-bump, waterproof, and stays dry, so you sit on the wet seat,
Stripper style!
Pull that layer off. And you can go again. So, stop.
Can you just go for a walk?
Anyone else? No, death. With bags, at the match.
Perfect.
Thank you so much for listening.
meter.
Stanna där.
What? Cheers to all the guides and sweepers of this event, SKOG. What I've heard, we are the heroes. In some context.
Yeah.
Cheers everyone.
Cheers.
Well done.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Keep it sperkele.
Kolla, blir det sån här dubbel rundgång om man gör så här, eller?
Skru upp för hörapparaten. This evening, Matthias and Pia will do the honors. We have, of course, a few prizes to give out. Some of you have made complete fools of yourselves.
Others have been shining stars, and you know us, we appreciate both. You're welcome. Yeah, those are two categories, and then there is Olympic. We have some really good prizes donated by our excellent event partners. I hope you visited Mosko, Moto and Garphyttan today. And they've also donated some great prizes. I have greetings to you all from Trip. He has of course also mountain bike.
Pimp my ride in a new context. What the heck is it?
Knowing your body feels so tired to get out of bed. You put your heart on a letter to chase it away. Got sun and it's all because of you. Hey, what's gonna give you?
The luxury guy.
Rapido. Mattias. Vi ses.
Vi ses på skog nästa gång.
Regnskog. I sol.
Ja, det är bra. All right, my ad riding friends. Everything has its end. As well, SKOG 2021. Woodstock of adventurers. It has been an amazing weekend and so much fun people that I have met this weekend, and big smiles, friends forever, everything from the riding, the food, sauna and the bar, dancing, and all our brands that were supporting us, that just did an amazing work to frame this event so nicely. We got so much positive feedback, so I will live for this for a long time. Actually, when you're this exhausted and sore in the body and in your head, you just want to rest. But I actually just long for the next SKOG. Go figure, even if it's a lot of work, but it's good work or great work to do. I hope all you out there had as fantastic weekend as I had. Please comment on that, or if you don't know what SKOG is or wanted to be there but didn't have the chance to come, please comment below as well on how you think about it. I know that there will be many videos and things out there about this. You can visit Base Camp North at Facebook, or you can visit our partners. So nice. See you on the next one. Now I have to take care of this beautiful machine.